benchmark portfolio. Okay? You can go up and down. You can go 30, 20. You can go, what is that?
50.
But can you also go like this? 120, 80. What is this in this case? Minus 100. Okay? Okay? So what is this? Say you have $1 million. What is this portfolio? You have $1 million. That's your money. Okay? You want to go 120% stocks. In dollar term, how much you have in stocks? 1.2 million. How much do you have in the long-term investment bond? 800,000. If you combine the two, that's already 2 million. But you only have 1 million. Okay? This, hold on. So this is minus 100% in cash. When you leave something in cash uninvested, that's positive weights in cash. Here's negative weights. Negative weights means you borrowed money from the broker, okay, using these risky stocks and bonds as a collateral. Okay? So $1 million of your money minus 100% in risk-free asset means you borrowed another $1 million of brokerage loan. Okay? So your broker is your lender. You're the one who borrow money. When you borrow money, the weight is negative. You can also say you're using margins. Okay? So this is fine. The only thing that matters is all these positions add up to be 100%. All right? Usually it's subject to a constraint. So these assets, stock and bonds, here they are risky assets. They move up and down. And this can also move, but it doesn't have uncertainty. You know exactly where it will move. So if you earn 0%, then you borrow $1 million next year, you need to pay back $1 million. Usually it's not that good. These days it's more like if you leave some money in the account, these days you earn 0% interest. But if you borrow some broker's money, you pay interest on it. Okay? Depends on the brokers. But if you have a large account, you manage institutional money, say your prime broker is Goldman Sachs, they probably charge you, if you carry $10 million margin loan, they'll charge you a federal fund rate plus 25, 50 basis points. Okay? Federal fund rate is 10, 12 basis points plus 50 basis points. It's still only 60 basis points a year. It's not much. Okay? So on a daily basis, right now, if you can borrow money is almost like free. But it doesn't apply to small, tiny retail accounts. Okay? I have a tiny account with TD Ameritrade, which I just use to get free CNBC streaming feed intraday. I put a couple $1,000 there just for the heck of it. I bought something. I was already up 60% for the year. I was happy. I wasn't looking at it. But I was using 50% margin on that. The other day I looked at it, they charged me 9% interest for the money I borrowed. And the stuff I bought went up like 40%. So I was on margin. The whole account was up 60%. I wasn't paying attention. And these tiny accounts, I only paid I think I borrowed $1,000 and 9% for a year. So I paid like $100 interest. But percentage-wise, it's a whole lot. Okay, 9% is a hard number to beat for investing. But for institutional money right now, this is like almost like free. Okay, so this is okay. All right, so. Value value. If you add up all the risky asset values, okay, in absolute value term, you add them up and then divide by the account how much account money you have. In other words, if you sell everything, cover everything, pay off all your loans, how much you have left. This ratio is called the account leverage ratio. Okay? In this case, you have a $1.2 million in stocks, $0.8 million in bonds, the $2 million risky assets. You use that $2 million to pay back $1 million loan, the account balance is worth $1 million. This ratio is 2 to 1. In other words, you have a leverage 2 to 1. Okay? So how much are you allowed to leverage with the so-called retail account? The leverage, right? You can usually think about the ratio. Think about how much money you already used. Typically, if you don't have a margin account, you cannot leverage at all. Okay? So-called margin account, I think requires, how much is it required to get a margin account? $25,000. You need a certain amount, okay? The margin account, then you can use broker money, okay? I think once you also need a margin account in order to short stuff. So here, we say, all right, you borrow cash, you borrow money from your broker. So the weight is negative. You use money to buy stocks, to buy bonds. Okay? But you can also borrow stocks. Okay? So instead of buying stocks, you can sell it. And what if you don't have it? You first borrow it and then you sell it. Okay? And then you pay it back in stocks. So effectively, any of these weights can be negative. It's okay. Okay, so when you have when you have negative weights in stocks, that means you're selling stocks. For example, if I what is the company that makes that fancy car? Tesla. If I don't like it, okay, I want to sell it, but I don't own it. I don't own the stock to begin with. I can go talk to my broker and say, okay, I don't like the stock. I want to sell 100 shares, but I don't have it. Can you sell yours for me? Okay? So there are always index funds, institutional funds, technology funds. They just hold them. They will hold them anyway. All right? They have 100 shares of. So you go to them and say, all right, where's Tesla at right now?
170.
That's the one expensive stock.
170.
Say 170. Okay?
No, they fell 17%.
That would work back then. I read on internet, how do you make money from Tesla? Okay, first short 10,000 shares of Tesla, use the proceeds from short selling, buy a Tesla, and then the third step, set it on fire.
Same insurance.
I did that one time.
That's insider trading. You're not allowed to do it. So you sell. If you don't have it, you can still sell it. Say you have $1 million account, you want to go ahead and sell $1 million of Tesla, that's okay. Then the weight is negative 100%. Okay? So you owe a bunch of Tesla shares. You sold already. You need to buy them back to go back to zero. Go back to the weight of zero. And when you buy them back for a short position, we call that the comp. Okay? So in general, any of these weights can be negative, can be positive. What happens is, as long as they add up to be 100%, you're okay. All right?